The current cost range 525.65-552.37. The previous day closing 529.97. The compound value equivalent to 535.73 rands a coin. The difference was plus 5.76, plus 1.09 in the opposite rates SAR to compound cost expected for the near future and month compound. Cost prediction on Thursday, July 6. Cost 544 rams, high 582, low 506. Compound cost estimate for Friday, July 7. On Monday, July 10, the compound cost is expected to be 553 rands, with a high of 592 rands and a low of 514 rand. 538 rands, 576 rands, and 500 rands are the cost estimates for Tuesday, July 11. 551 rands high, 590 low. 512 in multi-week compound on Wednesday, July 12. Cost projection 559 rands, 598 rands, and 520 rands are the estimated costs for Thursday, July 13. On Friday, July 14, the compound cost is expected to be 571 rands, with a high of 611 rands and a low of 531 rands. 551 rands high, 590 low. 512 compound forecast on Monday, July 3, cost 528 rands high, 565 low. 491 compound forecast on Tuesday, July 4, cost 562 rands high, 601 low. 523 compound forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost on Thursday, July 6. The compound cost is expected to be 549 rands, with a high of 587 rands and a low of 511. On Friday, July 7. The compound gauge cost 461 rands, 493 rands, and 429 rands. On Monday, July 10, the compound cost is expected to be 459 rands high, 491 rands low, and 427 rands. 454 rands high, 486 low. 422 compound figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost 429 rands high, 459 low. 399 compound figure in 3 weeks. Compound figure on Wednesday, July 12, cost 445 rands high, 476 low. 414 compound figure on Thursday, July 13, cost 410 rands high, 439 low. 381 compound figure on Friday, July 14, cost 410 rounds. On Monday, July 17, the compound figure was 439 rands. On Tuesday, July 18, the compound figure was 430 rands. For 20 rands, high 449, low 391 in about a month. Compound gauge, cost 415 rands on Wednesday, July 19, high 444, low 386 compound. Cost prediction for Thursday, July 20, cost 407 rands, high 435, low 379 compound. Cost forecast for Friday, July 21, cost 399 rands. High 427, low 371 compound value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 compound cost estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 707 rands, exorbitant cost 718, while low cost 472. Discovered the middle value of cost 612 compound cost gauge toward the months and 551 change for July. 6.1% compound gauge for July 2023. First and foremost cost of 573, while low cost 497. The discovered the middle cost 544 compound cost estimate toward the months and 534 change for August. 6.8% compound estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 534 rands, exorbitant cost 565, while low cost 491. The discovered middle cost 530 compound cost estimate for the months and 528 change for September. 1.1 compound cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 528 rands, excessive cost 528, while low cost 423. Discovered the midpoint of cost 484 compound cost estimate for the months and 455 change for October, 13.8% compound estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 455 rands, exorbitant cost 477, while low cost 415 discovered the midpoint of cost 448 compound cost estimate for the months and 446 change for November, 2.0 compound cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else, cost at 446 rands, exorbitant cost 553, while low cost 446, they arrived 517. While low cost 404 was reached at the midpoint of cost 468 compound cost figure for the months and 434 change for January, 16.1% compound cost expectation for February 2024, before all other costs at 434 rands, excessive cost 434, while low cost 339, they arrived at the midpoint of cost 393. Compound cost figure toward the months and 365 change for February, 15.9 compound figure for WAC 2024, before all other costs at 365, they arrived at the midpoint of cost 393. Rands are expensive 365 days a year, whereas dollars are inexpensive 286, they arrived at the midpoint of cost 331 compound cost conjecture toward the month's end 307 change for spring 15.9 compound cost expectation for April 2024 at the outset cost of 307 rands, excessive cost 381, while low cost 307, they arrived at the midpoint of cost 338 compound cost conjecture toward the months and 356 change for April. 16% compound forecast for May 2024 begins at 356 rands, while low cost 278 is reached at the midpoint of cost 322 compound monthly cost amount and 299 change for May. 16.4 July 2024, the compound cost is expected to be 0%. With a starting cost of $299. Rands excessive cost 371, while low cost 299 was discovered as the medium value of cost 329 build cost estimate toward the months and 347. After the Federal Reserve released its minutes for June, which hinted at more tightening if the central bank thinks it's necessary, Bitcoin and other top crypto tokens went down on Thursday. Even though the market was still strong, investors took some gains off the table. On Thursday, Bitcoin lost even more value. The biggest cryptocurrency token fell another 1% and is now worth less than $30,500. Its biggest rival, Ethereum, also lost about 1% but stayed above $1,900. But most of the price